Hood struts. Oil filter. Oil cap. Wish wash. Zero spillies. Good enough. Filter. Remove. Garbage. New filter for your butt. Raggy poo. Little wipe down. Real nice. Take some of that. Thanks. Yeah. Come here. 17. What about there? Crack you loose. And come on out. Thank you. Take that. New washer for you, bud. Righto. Thick winter tires. And that's sitting good, mostly. Yeah, I don't see why not. Differential. Already changed my diff and trans fluid, and I'm at 18,000 miles. We got some more fatty winter tires, and I also have another set and a set of summer tires, so good on tires for this vehicle. Still have yet to do an alignment on this 22 WRX, 18,000 miles. Still drives perfectly straight, so it's almost like as long as you don't crash into things, your car's going to continue to drive straight for the most part. So yeah, the more you know. Let's put this Cappucchingus on there. Okay. Alright. Let's go off feel here. But I do believe it's around 30 foot-pounds. Compression washer is compressing. And that's good. That's all we need, bud. Bit of the razzle jazz. Just a smidge here. Okay. And, can't slap that pan, so man, fuck out of here. Stay. It's gonna be 4.8 KT quarts in the Subaru. Right about there. Whoa there. Almost lost her there, bud. Nice and slow on the Subi fill. Got some good height going on, bud. Pivot. And we pivot. Done with you. Final cappuccino here. Turn you on like so. Oh there. Whoa there. On the throttle a little bit there, bud. Let's see if we remember how to reset. Okay. Right. I left it all blank. 18,000 miles. I just replaced this engine oil every 3,000 miles. So I don't need a sticker. Don't need to really reset this. Just every increment of 3,000 miles, oil change for you, bud. Oh yeah. Little under temp rev for you, bud. Grab a little raggy poodle here and show me what you got. Okay. Oil. Happy with that. Fantastic. Little Deluxo pressure wash. All right, buds. That's all she wrote. Simba.